are going to love the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.